Hello everyone, welcome to Heather's Home Kitchen. I'm Heather Klug, registered dietitian with the Karen Yance Women's Cardiac Awareness Center. Now you've maybe stocked up on a lot of canned tuna lately, probably because you know it's really good for your heart and also for your brain, and it's a great source of protein. But maybe you're running out of ideas besides, regular tuna salad sandwiches. So today I'd like to show you 3 easy and delicious things you can make with canned tuna, also using other things that you probably have in your kitchen. So the first one over here is a tuna pasta salad. So ahead of time I cooked some little mini pasta shells. I happen to have elbow macaroni at home, but if you have the little mini shells or any other kind of small pasta, that'll work. Just let that cool, put that in a bowl. You're gonna chop up a little bit of celery. I did some red onion. You can use regular onion if you have that at home. And then I also thawed out some frozen peas, so you can add those in there as well. And then 2 cans of tuna. And then you're gonna make just kind of a nice creamy base to go along with that. This is a 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, and also a 1/2 cup of mayo, and then some dill and a little salt and pepper. So you're just gonna mix that together, and then you're gonna add it to your bowl, and then you're just gonna mix it all together. And then you're gonna have a nice, quick, and easy meal that you can make for your family here. I think the hardest part to this recipe is maybe just chopping up the veggies a little bit. And this will last several days in the fridge, which is nice too. All right, so I don't know if you can see that. So real easy tuna pasta salad that you can make at home. The next recipe is one of my favorite ones. I've made this for a lot of cooking demos in the Milwaukee area, but this is a tuna and bean salad. So this one's super easy. You just open up a can of butter beans. If you don't have those on hand at home, you can use any kind of white bean in this recipe. The butter beans are just they're bigger and they're a little creamier kind of looking. All right. Open up a can of tuna, put that in here, chop up some celery. I have red onion in here. Again, you can use regular onion. And then I chopped up some fresh basil. If you don't have any fresh basil, just use dried. And then you're just gonna make a little bit of a vinaigrette here. In this is just about 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, about 1.5 teaspoons of red wine vinegar. You can use balsamic vinegar if you have that on hand at home. And then just a little bit of lemon juice, about juice from 1/2 lemon, and a little salt and pepper. You're gonna whisk that together, and then you're gonna add that in here as well and kind of stir it all up. And it makes a really nice kind of salad. Let me just grab this spoon. Can you grab me a spoon, honey? Just another one to have on hand. Sorry, I'm having my cameraman do some extra duties today. I forgot to bring out an extra spoon. So then you're just gonna mix this all together like this. Often when I make this, I actually do a double batch because I like this so much, and I bring this a lot for work. I often have it with some whole grain crackers, just for a quick and easy kind of lunch. So you can see it's nice and pretty and really healthy and easy to do. All right, last one here is the Mediterranean tuna salad. This one is also super easy. Open up a can of tuna. And here's also a can of chickpeas. So just open that up and drain that really well and rinse them off. And then I chopped up some cucumbers. I have some cherry tomatoes. You could add other veggies in here if you'd like as well. If you have carrots on hand, radishes, crunchy stuff is really nice in this. And then ahead of time I made a little vinaigrette, but this is really easy to make as well. It's just a couple teaspoons of Dijon mustard, about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. It's juice of 1 lemon, and then if you have a zester, zest that and kind of add that in here as well. And then about 1 teaspoon or so of dill. Okay, and then you're gonna mix that all together. I like to do this in one of these kind of glass jars because you can shake it up really nice. So once you've got that prepared, you can just add this to that mixture. I'm only gonna use about 1/2 of that roughly. And then I'm gonna mix that up in here. And you could eat this by itself if you'd like to, but this makes a really nice topping for lettuce. So let's move this over here. So I have some romaine lettuce, or you can use any kind of leafy greens you like. And this would make a couple servings. And we're just gonna pour that right on there. And if you needed any extra dressing, you could use some from the jar that you just made. All right, so there you go. Just gonna add a little bit more here. All right, there we go. We have a Mediterranean tuna salad. So 3 easy things that you can do with canned tuna. If you're looking for any other healthy recipes, please visit theKarenJansCenter.org and also visit our Pinterest page for the Karen Jans Center. Thanks for watching. Bye.